Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so glad you're here with us today for a very, very important topic.
That's right. Today, we're not just learning new words. We're going to talk about the feeling of confidence itself. We'll discuss the number one reason you might lack confidence when you speak English.
And most importantly, we will tell you how to fix it. So, let me ask our listeners a question. Do you ever feel nervous or scared to speak English? Do you worry about what other people will think?
If you said yes, don't worry. You are not alone. By the end of this episode, you will understand this feeling and have a simple, powerful way to start changing it.
The one reason: fear of mistakes.
Okay, so let's get right to it. What is the biggest reason learners feel scared to speak?
It's simple. The number one reason you lack confidence in English is the fear of making mistakes.
Exactly. We worry so much about saying the wrong word, using the wrong grammar, or having bad pronunciation. We think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh at me or think I'm not smart.
This fear is like a wall. You have the English words in your head, but the fear stops them from coming out of your mouth. So you choose to stay silent. But silence is the biggest mistake of all.
I love this analogy. Learning to speak English is like learning to ride a bike. When you first learn, you will fall. It's normal. It's part of the process. Are those falls failures? No. They are learning experiences. Mistakes in English are the exact same thing. A mistake is not a failure. A mistake is proof that you are trying. Native speakers don't expect you to be perfect. They are just happy that you are speaking their language.
How to fix it? Change your mindset. So, if the problem is a fear in our minds, the solution is to change our mindset. We need to think about mistakes differently.
Exactly. And we have a simple two-step way to do this.
What's the first step, Anna?
Step 1. Focus on communication, not perfection. The real goal of a language is to communicate an idea. If you say, yesterday I go to shop, is the grammar perfect? No. Does the other person understand you? Yes. That is a success.
That is such a key point. Your goal is connection, not a perfect grammar test. So celebrate being understood. What's the second step?
Step 2. Practice speaking in a safe place. You don't have to start by speaking in a big group. Build your confidence slowly. You can talk to yourself. Yes, really. When you are home, describe your room in English. This is a bed. The walls are white. Use a language app. Many apps have speaking practice with a computer. The computer doesn't judge you. Find one friendly partner. Find one friend who is also learning and promise you will only speak English for 10 minutes. You can help each other.
Those are fantastic, practical tips. The more you speak in these low-pressure situations, the more natural it will feel. You are building a new habit. Your new goal.
So let's summarize. The one enemy of your confidence is the fear of making mistakes.
And the best way to fight this fear is to change your goal. Your new goal is not speak English perfectly. Your new goal is communicate my idea.
Remember this. Your English does not have to be perfect to be powerful. Your effort is what matters.
We really hope this helps you feel more brave on your English journey. Building confidence is the most important step you can take.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Confidence in English. We believe in you.
Ready for your next lesson? For your next lesson, click right here to watch the next video.
Until next time, keep practicing. Bye!
Goodbye, everyone.